Hello and welcome to another morning briefing presented by Stein Investments. This morning I dropped to record the video because we've been facing the same situation as yesterday. The total volume dropped massively. There was no trust in the market, and so I couldn't tell you anything new compared to yesterday's video, and so I prefer to await what will happen over the day and see if we can catch some good opportunities once trust is coming back, which happened around midday in Europe, where the retail traders started to open new trades again. And then we noticed a rising volatility as well, with pretty good moves across the board. And because there have been no really clear setups and I experienced so much profit with the easy scalping strategy, I was just waiting for the first alerts coming from our custom alerts tool. And one of the first ones have been the US dollar cut, which is the last remaining position out of 4. The other ones already reached their profit targets, and so I'll start with this one. You can see the stop loss is placed here in this support cluster, and the profit target is set here to the next resistance level. We are currently struggling at today's high, where the price is a bit reluctant to go over this barrier, but maybe we'll see further move to the upside. Another option to save our profits is to just drag the stop loss here, set it break even, then there is nothing to lose, but I think that's bit too early right now, so I keep it as is. The other trades I've taken have been Canadian dollar against the yen. I placed my profit target here, which marked the daily low, and you can see it dropped even further to the 80% ATR of the downside here. So more would have been possible, but I'm happy with my profit anyway. The same is true for the Aussie dollar against the yen. My stop was here inside this resistance level, and then later on there has been a new one formed, but that's not relevant for our initial stop loss, and the profit target has been set same as before at today's low, which has been easily reached and moved even further. Last but not least, I received the signal for the Aussie dollar short against the US dollar. Same story. I put the profit target here at today's low, which formed a support level as well, and it has been reached in no time. Less than 20 minutes, we are done. So all in all, it's been a great success so far. If I close the US dollar Canadian right now, I would also close it at today's high, and I would have 4 out of 4 winners. Right now we have 3 out of 4, but I'm extremely happy about the consistency we achieve with the easy scalping strategy here, no matter which market circumstances we are facing. And I'm looking forward to the next opportunities of tomorrow's trading session. To complete our morning briefing video, I'll also check the currency overview, and we can see the euro pretty stable on the buy side. The British pound is neutral, barely above the neutral 0 level. The US dollar is barely a sell trend, because we are slightly below the 0 level. This is no real trend as well. The Canadian dollar is very clear on the weak side of the scale, while the Japanese yen is like the Swiss franc in the extreme area of the buy side, and the Aussie dollar is again the opposite on the weak side, while the New Zealand dollar is currently going down as well, but less intense than the Aussie dollar. So these new trends will hopefully provide us some stable trend trading conditions for tomorrow's trading session. So we'll have a look tomorrow morning if these trends remain consistent and if we can then catch some wonderful breakout strategy trades that continue these trends. Last but not least, our non-forex symbols, starting with the Bitcoin as usual. And the Bitcoin provided two excellent easy scalping strategy setups. This was the first one where it reached the extreme opposite here and then crossed the zero line here, followed by an amazing down move here. So placing the stop here and the profit target here would provide you a risk reward ratio of 1-to-1, which is pretty perfect. And here is another one which is also excellent because you can choose a very tight stop if you want and would have achieved 1-to-2 or 1-to-3 if you like. Right now we have already 175% ATR, so in my opinion trading the Bitcoin is over for today, and I congratulate all those who caught these opportunities and traded these two down moves on the Bitcoin. Oil is also in an extreme downtrend, but didn't provide any easy scalping setups today, but doesn't matter. We'll see surely some once the first reversal move started and will end, and then we can trade in the direction of the main trend, which is here clearly a sell. The Dow Jones provided here a pretty close easy scalping setup and another one here as well, but you can see there has been extreme spikes, I assume due to news. No ideal trading conditions in my opinion, but the trend is here also a clear sell. A bit less clear is the situation on the German DAX, which is on the weak side, but you can see how split the trends are right now. So there are surely no clear easy scalping setups to expect during the next hours or maybe today. But no problem, there are plenty of opportunities across the board, and with the custom alerts tool you can monitor as many symbols as you like. And as you can see here with our statistics today, we got again 4 out of 4. That's simply perfect trading as it should be, and I'm very happy to provide you the tools and the videos to present you how easy it is to be consistently profitable when trading Forex and indices. Thanks for your attention. See you and bye bye. While cutting this video, US dollar, Canadian dollar moved further to the upside and almost reached our profit target. It missed it only by a few pips. So that's bad luck, but no problem. Now it's the time to raise the stop loss because this trade will last max 20 minutes from now, because then the London exchange will close, and that's where I usually close my trades as well. In this way I secure at least half of the profits, and if we are lucky enough, US dollar Canadian will reach the profit target as well, and if not, we are stopped out fairly in profit, which is then still a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, so I'm perfectly fine with this result.